There can be the smallest things about your basement that to you and me might be, oh, okay, fine. But to basement experts like the Woodford brothers would be kind of a red flag. You know what? We can take care of this for you. Let me tell you what that means, all right? And here's what can come from that. Not, looking to make trouble or whatever, but looking to make sure that your house has a firm foundation. You walk in there, maybe you smell something, all right? Or you walk down in the basement, you look over here and say, there's the tiniest crack right here. What does that mean, right? Any number of things. The point I'm trying to make is that Woodford Brothers is your basement expert. Lock those words together, weld them together in your mind. Woodford Brothers and basement. Because whatever your challenge, whatever your need in the basement, they're your friend. 1-844-402-3535. If it's leaking, if it's wet, if the wall's cracked, if the floor's sagging, if you want your basement finished, if you're concerned about radon, whatever the deal is, they're the answer. Here's the website, basementbrothersradio.com, basementbrothersradio.com for the Woodford Brothers.